How do you store your crypto safely?
David, that's right. Last week's $320 million crypto heist.
Is your crypto safe?
Investors who are brave enough to venture into this realm should prepare themselves and go in with their eyes open.
How do you protect your crypto?
It very much feels like the Wild West out there.
The number one most important thing you can do is to keep your crypto safe. If you do not follow these safety tips, you can potentially lose all of your crypto. After this video, you will be able to sleep safe and sound for the rest of your life because you know that you did everything to keep your crypto secure. There are two main levels of security. The most convenient way to store your crypto, but also the least safe, is a so-called hot wallet. Generally speaking, hot wallets are safe, but they are not the safest. I advise you to only keep the crypto you need for your daily spending or for your online activities in your hot wallet, but the rest of your crypto in the next type of wallet, which is the cold wallet. A cold wallet is by default way safer than a hot wallet because a cold wallet is not connected to the internet and therefore safe from exploits and potential hacks. I recommend that you have one hot wallet for the crypto that you need on a daily basis and one cold wallet to keep your main holdings safe and secure. The most important part about your crypto wallet are your seeds, also known as seed phrases. Most of the time, a seed phrase consists of 12 or 24 randomly generated words which basically back up your wallet. Anyone with your seed phrase can import your cryptos to their wallet and spend all of your cryptos. This means that you have to protect it at all costs. The number one best way to protect your seed phrase is, of course, to memorize them. Basically, you want to know your seed phrase like your first name, your last name, and your birthday. This is the level of memory that you should have your seed phrases in. The second best way to keep your crypto seed phrase secure is to either write them down on a piece of paper, or you can even have them engraved in stainless steel, which make them even more durable. Everyone should think about their own system, but I recommend generally that you keep your seed phrase in multiple places around the world. In case you lose one, you have another backup in another location. Remember this one thing for the rest of your life. Never share your seed phrases or your private keys with anyone in the world. No crypto company and no crypto wallet provider will ever ask you for your seed phrase. Whoever has your seed phrase can take all of your crypto. This is so important, that's why I'm repeating it one more time. Whoever has your seed phrase can take all of your crypto. If you want to know what hot and cold wallets I use and what I recommend, comment down below. Also, if you want to know how to set up a crypto wallet, let me know as well. I will try and answer as many comments as I can. I would appreciate if you give this video a like and subscribe to this channel and activate the ring bell. I cannot wait to see you in my next video. I hope you learned something. Peace out.